Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Azure subscription and RBAC rights plus a resource group. Create an Azure SQL server now. Pick a region close to users to reduce latency. Once done, set an admin login and a strong password. This controls all database access. Make sure the Microsoft SQL provider is registered in your subscription. Now move to networking and firewall basics so you can reach the server from your clients. Next, configure networking. Add client IPs to server-level firewall or integrate with a VNet using private endpoints. This controls reachability. Don't leave it open. Then create the logical database. Choose DTU or vCore sizing and allocate storage based on expected workload. Once created, enable Azure AD authentication for centralized identity and turn on auditing and threat detection for security and compliance. After this, grab the connection string to prepare your client or application. Finally, connect your client. Use a do. Net, JDBC, ODB, or SQL CMD with the server FQDN and the provided connection string. Include encrypt equals true and the correct auth method. Test the connection from the intended host. If it fails, verify firewall rules and that the admin login or Azure AD token is valid. Also confirm TLS version compatibility and that the database is online. One key troubleshooting tip. When blocked, check server-level firewall and private endpoint settings first. They are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.